Then, known as the City of Lakes, has transformed into one of the Mumbai's most vibrant suburbs with a blooming food culture. From authentic Maharashtrian meals to fine dining and global cuisine, the city's restaurant offers something for everyone. Here are the top end restaurants in Thane that promise delicious food, great ambience, and memorable experiences. The first one is the Caravan Menu. The Caravan Menu is one of the Thane's most stylish restaurants, offering global cuisines with a modern twist. Known for its lavish buffet spread and live counters, it is favored among families and large groups. The interiors are chic with comfortable seating and a lively vibe. Guests enjoy everything from Indian curries, continental grills, and Asian stir fries. It is perfect for celebrations, casual outings, or corporate dinners. The second one is the Yellow Chili. Curated by the celebrity chef Sanjeev Kapoor, the Yellow Chili brings gourmet Indian food with a creative touch. Dishes like Sham Savera, Lala Musar Dal, and rich curries are highlights here. The ambience is classy yet comfortable, making it great for family dinners. Service is professional and food presentation is impressive. It is the perfect mix of traditional flavors and modern dining. The third one is Mainland China. Mainland China is the go-to spot for authentic Chinese food in Thailand. From dim sum and soups to aromatic stir-fried noodles and gravies. The flavors are rich and consistent. The interior are elegant with an oriented touch, giving a fine dining experience. Guests recommend their buffet spread and signature starters. It is ideal for couples, families, and business diners who enjoy pan-Asian delicacies. The fourth one is the Barbecue Factory. A paradise for grill lovers, the Barbecue Factory offers a live grill experience with unlimited starters and a fish spread. The restaurant is lively, perfect for office parties and family outings. Guests love the variety of vegetarian and non-vegetarian starters served at the table. The dessert and live counter add to the indulgence. It is one of the most popular buffet-style restaurants in Thane. The fifth one is Mamledar Misal. For those craving authentic Maharashtra flavors, Mamledar Misal is a legendary spot in Thane. Famous for its fiery misal pav, the place has a cult following among spice lovers. The restaurant is simple and no-frilly, focusing entirely on food, along with misal snacks like vada pav and vada bhaji are equally popular. It is essential spot for anyone wanting to taste Thane's traditional food culture. The next one is Oriental Spice. Oriental Spice specializes in Asian cuisines, especially Chinese and Thai dishes. The restaurant has cozy yet elegant vibe with authentic service. Guests recommend their spring roll, Thai curries, and sizzling noodles. The food is consistently flavorful with balanced spice levels that suits all age groups. It is dependable option for families and groups looking for quality Asian meals. The next one is Urban Tarka. Urban Tarka is a North Indian restaurant known for its rustic Punjabi flavors. The place is vibrant with dhaba-style decor and a lively atmosphere. Signature dishes include butter chicken, dal makhani, and smoky kebabs. Portions are generous and the service is friendly and fast. It is best spot in Thane for those craving hearty Punjabi food with a desi twist. The next one is the Irish House. The Irish House offers a pub-style dining experience with an extensive menu of international dishes and cocktails. The interior are rustic with a European pub vibe, making it popular among youngsters. Guests enjoy burger, pizzas, grills, and bar snacks paired with chilled drinks. Live screening of sport events add to the experience. It is ideal for casual hangouts with friends. The second last is Guru Kripa Veg Restaurant. A well-loved vegetarian restaurant, Guru Kripa offers North Indian, South Indian and Chinese dishes. Their thalis, paneer gravies and dosas are especially popular. The restaurant is clean, spacious and family-friendly. Prices are affordable and portion size are generous. It is a reliable option for vegetarians looking for variety under one roof. The last one is Angrezi Dhaba. Angrezi Dhaba is a quirky fusion of traditional dhaba style food with modern presentations. The interior are colorful and fun while the menu ranges from tandoori kebabs to biryanis and Indo-Chinese items. Guests highlight the bold flavor and hearty portion. Service is friendly and the vibe is lively, making it perfect for a group outing. It is a great mix of tasty taste with a trendy setting. Kane's food culture beautifully blends tradition with modernity, from authentic Maharashtrian snacks to global fine dining. This top-10 restaurants promises great food, warm service, and unforgettable experiences for every kind of diner.